Nowadays, it is very important to understand the current state of artificial intelligence and machine learning in order to better apply them. This is the goal of this executive certificate. We all are aware of the role of machine learning in artificial intelligence in our everyday world. It is everywhere, and it is important that we understand how it works. This executive certificate is addressed to managers, business leaders, and technical professionals who want to understand applications of machine learning, AI, to the field of finance. In this program, you'll master Python and Colab, apply AI to credit scoring, predicting markets and mergers and acquisitions. You'll explore Gen AI, natural language processing, text classification, and RegTech while completing a capstone project to start applying these skills to your business. If you want to understand machine learning and RegTech, if you want to be able to apply the concepts you have learned, if you want high-quality networking, if you want to learn an environment that gives you the top quality professors and practitioners, then join this executive certificate.